Reddit is one of the most popular websites globally, combining the interactive mechanics of a forum with the broad reach of a social media platform. According to SimilarWeb, Reddit ranks 15th in terms of traffic among all websites, attracting 2.4 billion visits in the past month alone. Nearly half of Reddit's users are from the United States. The daily audience from Tier 1 and Tier 2 geos exceeds 52 million people, primarily men aged 18 to 34. One of the top interests among Reddit users is adult content, making it a prime platform for creators looking to generate free traffic for OnlyFans and similar websites. Getting started with driving traffic to OnlyFans. OnlyFans launched in 2016 as a social media platform designed for content creators who wish to share exclusive content and earn income from paid subscribers. By 2021, OnlyFans had grown to over 130 million users and 2 million content creators. Affiliates using organic traffic from Reddit to promote OnlyFans models typically follow this process. Find an attractive model on OnlyFans or another platform that needs more fans. Purchase and set up a Reddit account. Post images on Imgur and write engaging content for your Reddit posts. Make at least 10 posts daily across various subreddits. Earn income from fans who subscribe to the model's content. How much can you earn by promoting OnlyFans accounts using organic traffic from Reddit? One agency reported monthly earnings totaling $5,060 from promoting 2 OnlyFans models. However, the question arises, why not use the official Reddit ads platform to run ads for OnlyFans accounts? The primary reason is that OnlyFans accounts are considered to be in the adult vertical, which is gray hat. Gray hat ads are often rejected by Reddit's moderation team. Also, the ad campaign settings are quite restrictive, limiting options such as targeting by gender, which can reduce the effectiveness of your campaigns. Besides organic traffic from subreddits, other effective traffic sources for promoting OnlyFans accounts include Instagram, TikTok, formerly Twitter, and the Adult Advertising Network. These networks offer wide advertising coverage and low traffic costs, with clicks in Tier 1 geos USA, Canada, UK, and other countries costing as little as $0.0169.